Hello friends, today I am going to solve CUET 2021 question paper, and this paper was second shift paper conducted on 15 September 2021. That exam, CUET 2021 exams, was conducted on various dates, and in different dates and different shift there are different question paper for general test. Already one question paper which was conducted on the same date 15 September 2021 in shift 1 was uploaded previously, and this is question paper for shift 2. Syllabus for general test is consisting of language comprehension, verbal ability, general awareness, mathematical and quantitative ability, and analytical skills, comprising of 25 multiple choice questions. And this syllabus is same as from the earlier one. So there is no change in the syllabus of general test part, and rest is the domain or subject test of 75 multiple choice questions. So in this video I am going to solve only this 25 MCQs type question, which is general test. Number of questions is 25, and you have to attempt 25 questions of 100 marks. Each question consists of 4 marks, and there is a negative marking of 1 for each wrong answer. Okay guys, let's start. Question 1. Select the correct word that can best complete the given sentence. By training children at young age, we can bring out the talent in them. Which type of talent it is asking? So it is inherent, vested or implicit, built-in, inborn talent. Option 4, inherent, is the correct option here, and other options are artificial, means synthetic, budding, उभरता हुआ या उदयीमान, and superficial means सतही or exterior. Question 2. From the choices given below, select the pair which exhibit the same relationship as the one in capitalized pair of the words. Soup, appetizer. So this is the starter one, भूख बढ़ाने वाला. Okay. So for starter we are taking soup. For the dessert we are using pudding. The pudding are sweets desserts of milk or fruit juice. It is generally used taken in United States. Dessert is called as pudding. So for appetizer we use soup, and for dessert we use pudding. Option 2 is correct here. Select the most suitable synonyms for muddle. A state in which everything is out of order, chaos, that is called muddle, and this is option 3 is correct here. Disorder, a state of confusion, chaos. And meaning for others, whisper means फुसफुसाना, कानाफूसी. Hardy, a great number of persons or creatures massed together. And speculate means form a theory or conjecture about a subject without firm evidence. किसी चीज की कल्पना कर लेना speculate होता है. Question 4. Identify the part of the body with which the disease is associated. Leukemia. With this disease, Rishi Kapoor was died in 2020, and leukemia is related to the lymphatic system. Leukemia is a cancer of the body's blood-forming tissues, including the bone marrow and the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of vessels, nodes, and ducts that collect and circulate excess fluid in the body. So various parts of the lymphatic system is shown in this particular pictures. Question 5. Identify the meaning of expression below from the options given. Per se, it's a Latin term. Its meaning is by or in itself or themselves, intrinsically. So option 3 is correct here, by itself. And meaning of other words, gossip means गप करना, spontaneous means स्वतः स्फूर्त, तुरंत कोई चीज, naturally. Question 6. Identify the meaning of the underlined word. Here it is underlined acquisitions. Acquisitions means अधिग्रहण, an asset or object bought or obtained, purchase or accession. So option 1 is correct, obtained. And meaning for others, apprentice means trainee or learner, attention, ध्यान देना. And attrition means a gradual weakening or loss or destruction. Question 7. Identify the meaning of the phrase below from the options given. Leave to a person by a will. Bequeath, option 4 is correct. Bequeath means wasiyat, leave a personal estate to a person or other beneficiary by a will. And meaning of others, beseech प्रार्थना करना, request, petition, blanch रंग उड़ जाना या make turn pale or fade. Below means tarang, a large undulating mass of something, typically cloud, smoke or steam. So its meaning is tarang, and sometimes we can confuse between below and below. Okay, so it's also mentioned here. Below means niche, at lower level or layer, and below means cheek, emit a deep loud roar. Question 8. Select the most suitable antonym for skimpy. So skimpy means lobhy, कंजूस, stingy, or sometimes for clothes condition of clothes, short or revealing, flimsy, छोटा, कम. कम के लिए क्या है? skimpy. Less than is necessary. Too small or few. And opposite to this is modest, vinam, sadharan, common, and for about a woman's clothes, not showing much of the body. So this is just opposite to that. In the case of this, not showing much, and here it is revealing, or very less. Okay, and sometimes generous can also be a opposite to this skimpy. Udar, liberal, open-minded. Like here it is kanjus or stingy, then here it is liberal or udar. Okay, but it is asking for suitable antonyms, then you have to choose the closest one, and modest is the given answer. Option in the answer key is given as modest, option 2. And glaring means shining or chamakdar, and affluent means dhani, samrid, wealthy, blessed. Question 9. Identify the meaning of the idiom from the options given. A man of the world. A man of the world means highly experienced in many fields, experienced and knows the practical or social aspect of life. Okay, so option 4 is correct here. Question 10. Select the correct word from the answer. Nowadays, it is difficult to find good books in English. So option 3 is correct here. Question 11. If Neena says Anita's father Raman is the only son of my father-in-law Mahipal, then how is Bindu, who is sister of Anita, related to Mahipal? So Anita's father Raman, and Raman is the only son of my father-in-law. So here it is father-in-law relationship and it is son relationship. So put in particular in the column daughter, father and grandfather. Mahipal is father of Raman and Mahipal also a father-in-law for Neena. Put the same generation at same row. Raman and Neena same generation. So I am putting in the second row here. Then how is Bindu, who is sister of Anita? Anita's sister is Bindu. So Bindu in this particular last row related to Mahipal. So relationship between Mahipal and Bindu, it is going to be granddaughter. And there is no such option for granddaughter. That's why none of these option 4 is correct. Question 12. Choose the missing term out of the given alternatives. Y, W, U, X and Q. So I suggest you, for this reasoning purpose, you have to learn alphabets A to Z in the ascending orders and descending order, both orders. Here it is in the form of descending order, from Z, Y, X in descending order. For each letters given here, Y, W, U, S, Q, just note down the values of this assigned value, assigned number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that, and here should be 12 and 14. So 12 and 14 is O and M. Then option 4 is correct. In this way you can find out. Question 13. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order and tick the one that comes last. A is common in all words, and then next is B, A, C, 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 Q, C, T. So this is going to be last one. Option 2 is correct. Actuate is the last word to come in alphabetical order. Question 14. Raman ranks 16th from the top and 49 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in a class? Raman is here. Raman is 1 here. Then 15 students on the top before Raman. That's why it is making 16 to Raman. So 15 students here. plus 1 Raman is here, and from bottom its rank is 49. That implies there are 48 students below to Raman. Now add up these numbers. So 15 plus 1 plus 48, that gives the number of students in the class, and it is equal to 64. Option 1 is correct. Question 15. If multiply means divide, minus means multiply, divide means plus, and plus means minus, then to just change everything, minus to multiply, divide to plus, multiply to divide, plus to minus, and solve it. For this solution you have to follow these rules. First you have to solve bracket, then divide, then multiply, then plus, and followed by minus. Calculated value is 2. Option 3 is correct here. Question 16. Choose the correct alternative based on relationship. Botany, plants. We study about plants in botany. Similarly, entomology. In entomology, we study for insects. Entomology is a branch of zoology that deals with the study of insects. Option 2 is correct. And study of snakes is herpetology. Study of birds in ornithology. Question 17. Choose the correct answer. Solve this expression, and answer is 3390. Option 2 is correct. Question 18. The HCF of 2923 and 3239 is. For HCF, just factorize it. After factorization you find it. First is 37 multiplied by 79, and second is 41 multiplied by 79. So just take the common one, highest common factors, to 79. Option 4 is correct here. Question 19. 1/5 of a number exceeds 1/7 of the same by 10. The number is. Let's number is x. Then x by 5 minus x by 7 equal to 10 according to the questions. Take the LCM of this. So there is LCM 35. 7x minus 5x. 35 multiplied by 10 equal to 350. That's why value of x equal to this divided by 2 equal to 175. Option 3 is correct. Question 20. If a number divided by 4 is reduced by 21, the number is. Let's number is x. Then x minus x by 4 divided by 4, then it is reduced by 21. So x minus x by 4 equal to 21. Solve it. Then x is equal to 28. Option 3 is correct. Question 21. The newly launched 100 rupees notes have the motif of on the reverse side. On the reverse side, it has motif of Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav is a step well situated in the town of Patan in Gujarat, and it is listed as one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Sites in 2014. So this is Rani Ki Vav, and it is on the reverse side of 100 rupees note. Sachi Stupa, it is on reverse side of 200 notes. Mangalyaan, it is printed on the 2000 note. Hampi is on 50 rupees note, backside on the 50 rupees note, and on 500 rupees note there is Red Fort on reverse side of 500 rupees note. Question 22. The mission Purvodaya initiative is related to the development of which of the following? The mission Purvodaya, it is current affairs questions, and this mission was launched in 2020 related to the steel sector. Question 23. Generally, wooden doors are difficult to open or close during rainy season because of. So there are 4 options. We learn one by one to each options. The diffusion means diffusion is a net movement of anything, atoms, ions, molecules, energy from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. And photosynthesis is a process in which plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and food. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a solution with high concentration of water molecules to a solution with a lower concentration of water molecules through a cell's partially permeable membrane. Imbibition, the absorption of water by solid particles of an adsorbent causing it to enormously increase in volume. without forming a solution is called imbibition. So option 2 is correct here. Due to this, volume of the wooden door is increased and it is difficult to open it. Question 24. Mahabhasya, an outstanding work in the field of Sanskrit grammar, is attributed to. So Mahabhasya is written by Patanjali. Mahabhasya Yoga Sutra written by Patanjali. Exact time period of these persons are not mentioned. Many of historians or researchers estimated the time period of Patanjali between 2nd to 4th century. Books written by Kalidas is Abhigyan Sakuntalam, Kumar Sambhav, Meghdut, and time period of Kalidas was 4th to 5th century. Last question, question 25. Who among the following passed the Bengal Sati Regulation Act 1829, which declared the practice of sati is punishable offence? So these are the Governor General. One by one we know about them. So first is Warren Hastings. British start their ruling in India through the Bengal parts. First they ruled at Bengal part, then slowly they captured throughout the country. So first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings from 1772 to 85. Lord Wellesley was Governor General of Bengal from 1798 to 1805, and this is Lord William Bentinck. He was Governor General from 1828 to 35. In between he became the Governor General of India, first Governor General of India in 1833. By the rule of this Charter Act of 1833 made Governor General of Bengal as Governor General of India. And his time period, abolition of Sati and English Education Act of 1835 was implemented. And last one is Lord Dalhousie. He was Governor General of India from 1848 to 56. Okay guys, so I hope this video is helpful for you. Now you know the patterns, how the questions is there, what type of questions are there in the general part, and if you want to get good marks, then you have to prepare general test and domain both. Okay, don't depend only on the domain or subject part. If you want to get good marks, good rank, then you should prepare for general test as well. Okay guys, so that is all the things today. Bye bye, good luck.